Tonight, as our nation accelerates past record prices at the pump,
gas prices they're killing us.
Americans nationwide are suffering sticker shock as they empty their pockets to fill up their tanks.
It just took me $150 to fill up my tank.
Relief checks are coming this Monday. Hey, what is up, YouTube? Thank you guys so much for tuning in today. We have some very exciting news and I had to share it with you guys. If you haven't already, make sure to hit that subscribe button to stay up to date on all this news that's going on. And while you're at it, go ahead and smash that like button. Guys, there are so many things that are just mind-blowing that is happening. I never thought gas would actually get close to $10 a gallon. Did you think that you would ever see a day where it could actually hit $10? Let us know down in the comments below. So with gas going up, many people are trying to find another way to get to work or to get the things done during the day that they need to do. Let's face it, who can afford that high gas and literally continue to keep doing what they're doing? I literally thought about those that do Uber driving, those that do Dash Store. They're literally not going to be making any money just because it costs so much to put in their gas tank. And now what about trucking companies? That's why things cost so much. The price has to go up somewhere, and because they can't control the price of diesel or gas, they're putting that on food and other things, clothing. Everything just keeps going up and up. So I would like to know from you guys what your plans are to do if gas just never stops going up. What happens if gas hits $7 in your area? For me, I don't know what I'm gonna do. I would literally buy a motorcycle probably, just because I know that it would take 20 bucks to fill it up, maybe, I don't know, maybe, and I could drive that thing for a long time, opposed to a truck that gets 15 miles a gallon. Yeah, that doesn't do me any good right there. But guys, guess what? There is a state that is sending out $500 relief checks this Monday. So let's dive on the screen and show you guys exactly what I'm talking about. Alright guys, right here, Massachusetts sending $500 relief checks to low-income workers starting Monday. To be eligible, a person must have a household income at or below 300% of the federal poverty level and not received unemployment compensation in 2021 or a payment in the first round. Over 300,000 low-income essential workers across Massachusetts will begin receiving their second round of stimulus checks this week. The $500 payments were scheduled to be mailed out starting Monday as part of the Baker's administration COVID-19 Essential Employee Premium Program. Here is a message from Twitter. The second round of 500 payments under the COVID-19 Essential Employee Premium Pay Program will be mailed starting Monday, June 6th to 300,000 low-income workers based on a 2021 tax return to date. Check eligibility here. You can click on the link or call this number 866-750-9803. If you live in the state of Massachusetts, there is the number and there is the link to the website. So there are some stimulus checks that went out yesterday and they're getting them out to low-income employees. They're trying to take care of you guys and send you out a $500 stimulus relief check, and they're saying that, guys, we know you need help. So I'm glad that they're doing this. This is some very exciting news, but this will definitely help in a time like this where inflation is just chaos. Guys, thank you so much for watching. I appreciate all the likes and the comments and for watching this video. We will keep you up to date on anything that is going on with stimulus checks. We have some more videos for you today, so stay tuned for that. Guys, I really appreciate you. Remember, things will get better. I am hoping that gas will start going back down, because then we're going to have to find another solution. I actually have to drive to work 30 to 35 minutes every single day one way and then drive 30 to 35 minutes back. So over an hour of driving, and that is cutting into my daily budget, into my weekly, monthly budget, and literally I'm having to pay double. So we're literally having to figure out what are we going to do if this thing keeps going up. So guys, let us know down in the comments below what you think about this relief check, and I wish that every state would send relief checks immediately. Go ahead, get them out, get people taken care of. Guys, we're doing some huge giveaways. When this channel hits 70,000 subscribers, we're giving out $250 to 2 lucky subscribers, as well as a $50 Visa gift card. We're going every single month. One time a month, someone's going to get a $50 Visa gift card. All you have to do is smash that like button and subscribe, and that's it, guys. Comment the word Visa gift card for your chance to win the gift card. And guys, we will be back for more. Stay tuned for more videos to come. And until next time, I'm John Miro. Peace.